The way I figured out the pattern to the unit circle is, first of all, in the inner circle, it starts off at 0 in the first quadrant. So 0 plus 30 is 30. 30 plus 15 is 45. 45 plus 15 is 60. And 60 plus 30 is 90. And then you go on to the next quadrant, which is 90 plus 30 is 120. 120 plus 15 is 35. 35 plus 15 is 150. And 150 plus 30 is 180. 180 plus 30 is 210. 210 plus 15 is 225. 225 plus 15 is 240. 240 plus 230 is 270. 270 plus 30 is 300. 300 plus 15 is 315. 315 plus 15 is 330. That is how I got the inner circle. And the second circle, start off in quadrant 1 again. I would do pi over 1/6. So it would be the way I was able to come to this is 30 times pi over 180 equals this. 45 times pi over 180 equals pi over 4. 60 times pi over 180 equals pi over 3. And same thing over here. 120 times pi over 180 equals 2 pi over 3. 135 times pi over 180 is 3 pi over 4. 150 times pi over 180 is 5 pi over 6. And you do it with this quadrant and this quadrant too, and whatever the degrees is, you multiply it times pi over 180 and it'll give you this. So then the last quadrant outside, the last circle outside, my method was like pretty simple. All of them, they're all the same numbers, but it depends what quadrant they are in which it will give you if it's positive or negative. So if it's in this quadrant, it'll be positive, negative. This quadrant is negative, negative. This one is negative, positive. And this one's positive, positive. And the way I was able to remember is it goes, the first 3 numbers going down like this is 1, 2, 3. And the 1 never has a radical. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then the next fractions are 3, 2, 1. Here, it's 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. It's just switched. Here, it's negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. Because you see how it is, negative, negative. That's how it is. And here, same thing. It's switched around. 3, 2, 1, because it's positive. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, because it's negative. All of these are just switched around, and you use the signs as to the quadrants they are in. And that is the pattern in which I found the unit circle. Thank you.